Well, what a crazy 24 hours we've had in crypto. We had a rough start yesterday morning, which would have been obviously Wednesday, December 13th. And then we got cleared for takeoff in the afternoon. We all saw what happened. I'm going to give you my 2 cents on where we're at and where we go from here, what I think we're going to see play out for the rest of December and moving into January. As always, two things: hit that like button and please hit that subscribe button. So here's what happened. We all know that the Federal Reserve had their FOMC meeting yesterday, and the chairman of the Fed came out and said equivocally that there was going to be multiple Federal Reserve interest rate reductions in 2024. That is the breaking news, was that they were going to start reducing that interest rate instead of the increasing that we've had. By the way, we've had 11 of these interest rate hikes over the last couple of years. So now we've effectively hit our mark, if you will. Now, whether or not inflation is cooled and done and all that, that's a whole different dialogue, a whole different video. But let's just talk about what happened yesterday and what that impact is for, again, today and the remainder of December moving into January. Okay, so now investors are absolutely loving the quote, Fed's soft landing. Again, we know that the Chairman Powell came out and said there was going to be interest rate. They were going to be pulling them back. They were going to be doing, reduction. Okay, right there, a 0.75 reduction interest rate next year sent a clear message. Obviously, investors love this news. We had the stock market take off up 500 plus, rather Dow, et cetera. So it was a great day in crypto. We went back from that $1,560 billion mark, adding really $500+ billion overnight, almost instantly, right? We saw Bitcoin come back, Ethereum go up, and right now, as of the recording this video, this is where we're at, kind of live on these guys right here. XRP rallied a little bit. Solana has been most assuredly on fire. And just to kind of show you that Solana chart, this is Solana right here in right there to there. That's in the last 59 days, 216% up Solana, right? So we know it's been running. Cardano has been running in the last 53 days. It's up 155%. This is Bitcoin's chart, just to show you right here. Show you from that last buy alert right there to that one. We're up 58. We're up 55% on Bitcoin. Nice move up there. My software is still showing a momentum down. So it's saying it's not time to buy Bitcoin if you're looking kind of from a short term, midterm. Links in the description below if you want to check out my software. It tells you, it gives you these buy and sell alerts. But here's where we're at. I think we're going to continue to see the remainder of December look good. Obviously, I think the biggest part of it is because of this, right? It's because of the message coming from the Fed, the fact that they're going to reduce a 0.75 reduction in interest rates the next year. There was a lot of uncertainty around what was the Fed going to do rolling into 24. Okay, so this cleared the runway, in my opinion. That was the reason for in the title. Here we go. I think we're taking off. I think the runway's been cleared. I think the planes, we're fueled and we're taking off of the runway, whatever metaphor you want to use. Remember that we've got the Bitcoin ETF approvals coming in the first, probably, I think it's going to be January, February. I know we've got a January 10th date. That's via Bloomberg analysts. Don't know where they got that number, to be honest with you. Hey, I hope they're right. I'm not throwing shade on that. I'm just simply saying that I think we'll see how it plays out moving into January. So January, February, again, Bitcoin ETF approvals. That's going to be a global media coverage, viewed as the biggest possible massive positive catalyst that crypto's had in a long, long time, talking years here. Then, of course, we got Bitcoin halving rolling up into an April, May, the 127 days approximately left for that. Let me show you, actually, if you're always curious about Bitcoin halving, right here at the top, you see on CoinMarketCap, see where my mouse is? Halving is 127 days right there. Okay. So that's a countdown for you. There you go. All right. So like I said, I think we're ready. Okay. This 0.75 reduction, they'll do that over multiple multiple meetings, if you will. So they're not going to do it all in one meeting. They'll probably do 0.25 basis points in a couple of 2 or 3 meetings in 24. Again, here we go. This clears the runway. I think crypto's reacting accordingly. We're seeing everything pretty much massively up. Looks good. That's all I got for you. As always, I appreciate you. And if you haven't done it, hit that like button and please hit that subscribe button. I'll see you. Have a good one. Bye.